Bestie, stop scrolling. I need your help to clean. Like, seriously. Don't let me get distracted. I need to clean out this refrigerator. Okay? Thank you. Come on. And you wanna know how your bestie had got the energy to get up and clean? This is exactly what I use. My lion's mane. Get you some. I barely have energy. If y'all been watching my videos, I don't be having energy to do nothing. But we cleaning out the refrigerator today. Let's go, we clocking in. Don't judge. I just like go get me dusty. We all on our day. We are done. Thank you so much, Bestie, for keeping me focused. But we got it done, right? Bye, besties. Bye.